So if you have to replace your Nissan Pathfinder doors, what you do is remove the four, what is this, 12 mil little sockets. Then you pull the door harness out of the door here, and then you unplug these, and then you put the new one on. It's not really too hard, but there are literally no videos of how to do this, and I wasn't sure where the harness pulled from. Like, granted, I'm sure it pulled out of here, but I just wanted to be 100% sure. So for anybody who is looking, because there's literally no forum posts, no nothing about this, yeah, so for anybody who wants to know, the harness is inside of the door frame for the car. So yeah, it's not too bad of a change. So that one should go right on, and then we put the mirror and control panel on, because the seller did not disclose that those were not there, but in the pictures they are. Kind of annoying, but hopefully they send me back a couple dollars, because it's quite an inconvenience. But hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is just a super quick one because I was looking it up. I saw absolutely nothing. Peace. Oh, and also to pop the harness, you just place like a flathead right in the little slot, and then just carefully and slowly turn it this way, and the plug will disconnect. And then for this last one, you use your thumb to press this down, and then you put the flathead just anywhere in here, like in this part here, and then you just slowly and carefully pry it open so the harness comes off, and boom, that's the door.